Creating a split screen with Final Cut Pro is possible with the Transform tool or inspector. You can save time by using the 4-way split screen generator. After purchasing and downloading the template, drag the Final Cut Pro help folder to the generators folder. If it already exists, drag the split screen folder into the Final Cut Pro help folder. Add the 4-way split screen to a project. Go to the generator inspector. Click a drop zone. Select a clip in the project or browser to add it to the drop zone. Repeat this step to add all 4 videos. Update any drop zone by clicking on it and selecting a new clip. Click Apply Clip. That's it. You now have a 4-way split screen ready for use. If you'd like, use the on-screen controls to adjust the position of each clip, or use the additional controls in the generator inspector to adjust position, scale, or rotation. To add a background, use Shift-Command-Up arrow to lift the split screen from the primary storyline. Add a background clip. Then move the split screen clip on top of the background. Want the split screen to last longer? Drag the edge to extend it. Each video clip will continue to play until the end of the clip is reached. At the end, a still remains on screen. Right-click on the clip to rename it. If you want the video to loop instead of freezing on the last frame, add the video to a new compound clip. Double-click on the compound clip to open it. Copy and paste the clip to create the loop. Use the generator inspector to update the drop zone with the looped compound clip. Need help? Check the box at the top or reach out to us at anawesomeguide.com/support.